Hey everybody, Photo Man back with another video. Thanks for joining in again and watching some content and everything like that. The town of Trochu celebrated its centennial in 2011 and has come a long way from a little settlement in the valley. The settlement moved up on the hill from the valley starting in 1909 when word came that the Grand Trunk Pacific Railroad would come through Trochu. The village was incorporated in 1911. A vibrant farming community grew in spite of the Depression and World War II. As many as 5 grain elevators lined the tracks, where one wooden sentinel remains today. The coal industry boomed east of town, dying in the 1960s, with the changeover to natural gas.